Early the only time I'm really happy.
Let's see
my
how it's
God.
at lunch with that New York's iconic sandwich spot is in Brooklyn, New York. John'sville. You said you were hungry? Yeah. What do you want to eat? Bacon, egg, and cheese? Okay. How's it going? Can I get the roast beef sandwich? Do you have the pretzel? Let me get the pretzel here. With everything on
Dude,
it.
I'm so bored.
So my sandwich was $18 with $2 tip.
Actually, I'm kind of great. I'm so bored.
With jelly on it.
Guys, I don't feel too good. Have you been sneezing? Yeah, a lot. I would just need some tissues, that's all, Godzilla. I don't think I need tissues. Y'all better run. Achoo! Ah! Holy crap! Ah! Ah! I don't need tissues. Look at them, bye. Look at them. They're all just blown away by Godzilla's sneeze. That is just crazy. Peace.